meats like bacon and sausages are classified as carcinogens by health authorities. Our bodies weren't designed to process the high levels of saturated fats and cholesterol that come with a meat-heavy diet. It's like willingly consuming something that's in the same risk category as smoking. Here's something interesting. Hope you have heard about the food chain concept. There is a term called biological magnification. The process of entry of a non-biodegradable chemical into a food chain and its getting accumulated at successive trophic levels, reaching the maximum quantity in the topmost level, is biological magnification. Because these compounds aren't digested, they accumulate within the animals that ingest them and become more and more concentrated as they pass along the food chain, as animals eat and then are eaten in turn.